Eskute T300 Pro. I pull up slow, 3 wheels steady when the sidewalks go. Basket full, got my day in tow. No shake, no sway, just a smooth ride.
How's it going, people? We got another E-trike to review, and this one is from Eskute. This is the T300 Pro. I'm gonna do this quick unboxing. We're gonna put this in together, so sit back and relax.
Eskute T300 Pro. I pull up slow, 3 wheels steady when the sidewalks go. Basket full, got my day in tow. No shake, no sway, just a smooth ride home. Folded mindset, but the frame stay bold. Rain on the pass till it cuts through cold. Turn that key, let the whole thing roll. I'm fresh out front like a story. Eskute T300 Pro, roll with me. Eskute T300 Pro, so clean, 3-wheel glide, I keep it free. T300 Pro. Eskute T300 Pro. Roll with me. Grocery stacked in the bag, don't lean. Blue red light in the battery beam. Curbs get crossed like a midday scene. I'm on the lane where the air stays clean. Phone in the pocket, no stress, no rush. Just me in the frame in the morning hush. Push that line when the road gets rough. Still move precise, that's enough, that's enough. Eskute T300 Pro, roll with me. Eskute T300 Pro, so clean, 3-wheel glide, I keep it free.
Eskute T300 Pro, ride with me.
Eskute T300 Pro, we. Eskute T300 Pro, roll with me. Take that turn, let it hold its ground. Every little route got a wheel set sound. From the store run back to the hometown. I don't need much, just spin around. Eskute T300 Pro, roll with me. Eskute T300 Pro, so clean, 3-wheel glide, I keep it free.
Eskute T300 Pro, ride with me.
Eskute T300 Pro.
It's nice to have a front basket. This bike has a unique handlebar. You could switch positions. You have plenty of space to put your phone or attach a speaker. Here are the dimensions of the basket. You can fit plenty of stuff in there, and it comes with this cover that you can attach quickly with Velcro. And the rider height for this bike is 5'2" to 6'5", and my wife is 5 foot and she can ride this thing anywhere. And the bike has a very comfortable wide seat. It's adjustable and it has a backrest. And the bike actually has 2 parking brakes, one on the left, one on the right, to secure your bike from moving. And it has full disc brakes in all 3 wheels. And it has really good stopping power. I tried it out and it did not disappoint me. See, when you press the rear brake, both of the wheels activate at the same time. Left brake and right brake, giving me almost instantly stopping power. The headlight, I thought it was a little bit small, but it's really nice and bright. I was surprised about how bright this headlight is. It has a really nice size tail light. It's really hard not to see. On the description of the bike, it says that the top speed is 16 miles an hour. But out of the box, it's doing 20 miles an hour. So yeah, they claim it does 16, but it's actually doing 20, and I'm 200 pounds. And the bike has 20x4 fat tires. All 3 tires are 20x4. They actually have really good grip. We tested out the road and the grass and the dirt, and it does a really good job. And it folds in half. I'm going to show you how you do it. It has a tricky part. You have to pull it up in order to unlock. And there you go. It's hard to do it with one hand. So that's pretty much how it looks when it's folded. You can still fold the seat. I don't think it's going to do that much, but I still have to fold the handlebar. Let me show you how it looks. You have to unlock it from here, and then you're supposed to bend it. I got my camera there, so I got to be careful. So anyway, yeah, that's how it looks when it's folded. I don't know if there's a better way, but it's definitely going to help you out if you have like a SUV or something. And the front and rear baskets, it's really awesome to have them. I can't wait to get some groceries with this thing. To turn on the bike, press and hold the M button. Right there you can see your battery level, and it has 5 different speed levels. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's another button at the bottom. It's like a walk mode. You press and hold, and that's to walk your bike. Oh, it's moving. Yep, nothing fancy. It's really, the display is really easy to understand. Also, you can press and hold the top button for the headlight. Yeah, so it's basic stuff. It tells you how much battery you have, how many miles per hour you're going, and the mileage. Okay, so here on the right side, we have a 7-speed Shimano. It's really cool to see this in an E-trike. We have our throttle mode. If you don't like to pedal, you can always use throttle mode. And we have our horn, of course. So the 7-speed Shimano works great. Here I am shifting some gears, and it's really nice to pedal this bike. The pedal assist works great. And to remove the battery, you have to fold the seat, and with the key we take the battery out. Now there's no need to take the battery out to charge it. You could charge it right there in the bike. The battery is a 48 volts, a 20.8 amp hour battery. The IPX rating on this bike is 54. It also has a front fork suspension. The weight of the bike is 110 pounds. The max payload capacity is 450 pounds. The rear basket holds 120 pounds. The bike has a hub motor, 1200 watt peak. It's capable to take you up to 45 to 75 miles of range. And this trike is considered a Class 2 e-ride.